So that was Swati Maliwal's ex-husband, and we have more information coming in. This is the inside scoop on perhaps why Swati Maliwal fell out of favor from the AAP. The top sources say that the AAP was allegedly miffed with the Rajya Sabha MP because she was absent when Arvind Kejriwal was arrested on March the 21st. And not only that, she also didn't inform the party's top brass about visiting her ailing sister in the United States. Highly placed sources in the AAP also tell us that Maliwal was allegedly sidelined by none other than Sunita Kejriwal. We'll go over to Sabyasachi for more on this. Sabyasachi, this is significant information coming in. What is the scoop? What are sources telling us?
Well, absolutely. See, as per the sources, what we got to know is that the party has been quite unhappy with Swati Maliwal over the past because, see, one reason when Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate, Swati Maliwal did not come out and speak in public. She went to the United States and did not inform the party, and apparently when she was removed as the star campaigner of the Aam Aadmi Party, it was she was removed on the instruction of Sunita Kejriwal. This information is coming out from the party sources, but it is extremely crucial because this is the point which the BJP has been raising. See, remember Amit Malviya of the BJP had posted it in the social media platform because Swati Maliwal did not speak anything, did not come out in public, could not be seen during the several campaigns of the Aam Aadmi Party when Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, and that was the reason why the party was not happy with her. Meanwhile, see, yesterday Sanjay Singh, though, he has come out and said that this sort of behavior won't be accepted and the CM would take strong action against Vibhup Kumar. But see, there was a lot of pressure which was created on the Aam Aadmi Party by the BJP. BJP was continuously asking why is the Chief Minister, why is the party completely silent on this. And as far as the investigation is concerned, see, the police clearly told that the investigation can proceed further only when Swati Maliwal lodges a complaint or either sends a mail to the Delhi police. After that only the investigation will begin. See, meanwhile, the war of words is expected to escalate between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party over this matter.
Most definitely, Sabyasachi, it's getting murkier. Also, this revelation that Sanjay Singh apparently was asked to come from Mumbai to Delhi just to address this almost 2-minute long statement. That is also an interesting facet. There is more to it. Sources close to Times Now also revealed that Swati Maliwal is yet to, of course, give a written complaint, and that when the Delhi police asked her to, she said that she would revert later. But what is shocking is also the silence of those who have claimed themselves to be the self-styled custodians of Nari Shakti. From Rahul Gandhi to Priyanka Vadra to Akhilesh Yadav, there has been no word on the alleged atrocity inflicted upon Swati Maliwal. Naveen Jain, Swati Maliwal's estranged husband, claims that there is a conspiracy within the AAP to finish Maliwal. Congress's Udit Raj went on to say that this is rather an internal matter of the Aam Aadmi Party. Listen into some of what the politicians have been saying.
इतने गंभीर मुद्दे पर आम आदमी पार्टी चुप क्यों है? स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने क्यों इस तरह के इल्ज़ाम लगाए? उन्होंने सिर्फ फ़ोन कॉल नहीं किया, बल्कि वो बाकायदा पुलिस स्टेशन भी गईं। तो क्या वो किसी तरह से कुछ कहना चाह रही थी और ऐसे ही डराने धमकाने के लिए इस तरह के इल्ज़ाम लगा रही थी, या वाकई में इनमें कुछ सच्चाई है? और लोग जानना चाहेंगे कि जो DCW की हेड रही हैं, महिला सुरक्षा की जिन्होंने बात की है, जो आज के दौर में राज्यसभा की सांसद हैं, ऐसे गंभीर इल्ज़ाम वो क्यों लगा रही हैं? लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि देश की जनता को ये जानना चाहिए क्या है असलियत केजरीवाल जी की, क्या है असलियत उनके आसपास जो लोग हैं उनकी।
36 घंटे लग गए आम आदमी पार्टी को जवाब देने में। एक महिला के साथ मुख्यमंत्री आवास के अंदर बदतमीजी की जाती है, मारपीट की जाती है और मुख्यमंत्री खामोश रहते हैं। अगर आप में जरा सी भी गंभीरता होती, जरा सी भी संवेदनशीलता होती, तो संज्ञान लेने की बजाय आप तुरंत पुलिस को कार्रवाई करने के लिए कहते, पुलिस को शिकायत करते। लेकिन आप अभी तक मुंह चुप करके बैठे हैं। खेल इससे बड़ा है। ये सारी घटना मुख्यमंत्री के सामने हुई है, जिसको छुपाया जा रहा है। क्या कारण है कि कल PCR की कॉल के बाद से वो चुप हैं? क्यों राजनीतिक दबाव बनाया जा रहा है?
The incident which has taken place yesterday at Delhi CM residence, however, the Delhi police has said that no written complaint is being given by Swati Maliwal, but Aam Aadmi Party has removed her from the star campaigners list. How do you see this entire incident that had taken place?
Go and ask from them, it is their internal matter.
Any comments from your side?
Why should there be any comment? Why should I interfere in their personal affairs?
Okay.
And this is all BJP.